So for this mechanical engineering class or division of general engineering, we have to do a topic on a mechanical device and the safety behind it. So I thought, okay, I'm kind of an outdoorsy guy, so I thought, you know what? Let's do the mechanical device of the compound bow, such as this one shown. Now, a little bit about this is how does a compound bow work? Okay, so what you have is let's see, you have the bow, but on the bow you have two limbs, the upper limb and the lower limb. And connecting the string to the limb are called cams. These are the wheels. These wheels are odd shaped. There's a reason for that. I'll get to it. And the arrow's on a rest. So the user would pull back on the string with the arrow attached to it until he's at full length. And as he's doing that, these limbs here contract. And what happens is, as you can see, I'm starting here, but in this next picture, you can see that these cams, these wheels, are differently shaped. And what happens is that the reason why there's a flat spot here, top and bottom, is to notify the user that this is the distance you want. This is all the way back, and this lets the shooter know that the user, pardon me, it lets the user know that the string is back all the way. So each shot is going to be very consistent. And then how he shoots it is, or how the user sends a projectile is similar. I mean, originally with traditional bows, you would use three fingers, such as up here, where you would have your middle and your ring finger below the arrow, and your middle and your index finger above. I mean, it can be a little different. I mean, but that's the general idea. For the modern day, what lots of people are doing are a finger release or wrist strap release, and what that is here you have a trigger with your index finger, and here you have a trigger with your pinky finger. The reason why we have this is again to make our projectile be consistent. Basically, it's a little clamp in there, and when you pull the trigger, such as here, that clamp opens, and that sends the string to be projectile, which causes the arrow to be in motion. Let's see. So there are a few safety issues that I noticed with this. The big one is if you have loose clothing, you're dry firing your bow, or the position of the string. Those are the three. There's one more, but I'll get into that in a little bit. So with loose clothing, I remember in a gym class, in high school, the gym teacher says, okay, no loose clothing, such as, just common sense. You can see in this image, I'm wearing a t-shirt. That's not very loose. But mainly the FIAD teacher said, okay, you cannot have like earbuds or anything. That can get caught in the string, and that's not going to make your day either way. It's not going to be fun. So basically common sense and practice, just so you can define what loose is. I wouldn't necessarily call a hoodie loose, but I don't know. It's all up for not anticipation. It's all up for debate. All up for debate.